Ever feel like you're trying to get something done, but your brain feels like it's running a marathon in 12 different directions? Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking all about how to boost your focus and supercharge your concentration. Because let's be honest, we could all use a little more focus in our lives. First up, meditation. Various studies, like the one conducted by the University of California in 2007, found that regular meditation can increase your ability to sustain attention. So, start with just 5 minutes a day, and work your way up. You'd be surprised at the difference it can make. Next, we have a favorite of mine. Breaks. The Pomodoro technique, a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, advocates for 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. This cycle helps your brain to recharge and can significantly improve your concentration. Let's talk about nutrition. A 2017 study published in the British Journal of Health Psychology showed a strong correlation between a diet rich in fruits and vegetables and high levels of mental well-being. So, don't underestimate the power of a good meal to fuel your mind. Regular physical activity has been proven to reduce stress and improve cognitive function. A study from Harvard Medical School suggests that exercise helps your brain by directly enhancing its ability to focus and concentrate. Now, let's talk about something we all love but probably don't get enough of. Sleep. A study from the Journal of Child Psychology and Psychiatry found that sleep directly affects a child's behavior and ability to concentrate. And it's not just for kids. Adults also need adequate sleep to maintain focus and concentration. Mindfulness. It's more than just a buzzword. A 2010 study from the Consciousness and Cognition Journal showed that even brief periods of mindfulness training can improve our ability to filter out distractions and increase our attention spans. And finally, turn off those notifications. According to a study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology, human perception and performance, even a minor interruption, like a notification, can cause major disruptions in concentration. So, give yourself a no-interruption zone and see how your productivity soars. And there you have it, folks. 7 surprisingly simple techniques to supercharge your concentration. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter, and a big part of that is learning how to control where we direct our attention. So, did any of these techniques resonate with you? Are there any tips you use that we didn't mention here? Let us know in the comments. And remember, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and advice. Until next time, stay focused and stay positive.